simple how to draw exercise. I'll just remove Godzilla. Right, he's there. Right, this is just a simple exercise in how to draw. Don't want that one. Right, ready? This is how we draw. A nice simple drawing of some red wine. So it's simple to, when you're trying to draw something, to evoke the feeling of the item that you want to draw, so you get across the essence of it straight away to people, so they don't have to think about what they're doing. You want to make it pretty clear that that's the object they hone in on. So obviously in this one I'm making it clear as a person who's going to be drinking from a cup and that red wine in it, because red wine isn't actually one word, it's two words, but in this game it comes up as one word, red wine, which is a bit odd. So I've obviously got to convey to people that this is red wine. So you give them the image straight away of a nice cup. Haven't quite got around to the cup bit yet. I'm still drawing the person who's going to be drinking. Obviously you've got to get that right as well, so they can see that it's a person drinking something rather than just like, I don't know, a malformed blob, for example. So you get the image across of the person, and then you obviously focus on the subject, which is that red wine. So you can see here I was having a little bit of trouble with the nose. Difficult to get features correct sometimes. You need to do a bit of work. But I think I got it in the end. Obviously, if you disagree, please do leave a comment, but I think I got it pretty close. It's not easy to do a human form, I find. But, bit of study. And here you can see the hand being added. And just for a bit of realism, the thumb coming up the side there. And there you have it. That was it. And we've got to see if the person I drew it for is going to guess that. We don't know yet. So I'll report back. But thank you. That's my lesson in drawing. And I use an example, red wine. Thank you.